Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. You already use Feedly to follow blogs, news sites, and even some research publication. But you do know you can also follow YouTube channels. That's actually right. When a creator you follow uploads a new video which can show up right alongside your other articles in Feedly. No more bouncing between different apps or checking YouTube manually. Everything you want to keep up with written and video content all in one place. So according to Feedly's official documentation, with Feedly you can subscribe to YouTube channels as sources. New videos will show up in your feeds when they are published so you can keep up with your favorite YouTube channels alongside everything else in Feedly. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna basically go through all of this fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, you have to open your phone, log in into Feedly on the web or as I showed you the mobile app, tap on the plus button right here to add more content, then go all the way to this name or link. So on the discover page, you can basically look for the name of the YouTube channel into the search, just give it a name you like, then Feedly will search its database for matching sources. If the channel appears in search results, click follow and add it to a folder, and that's the whole idea basically here. So for example, let me look for YouTube if I can find any. Okay, this tag for YouTube, here you go. For example, uploads on YouTube, Vimeo, GoPro, you have all of these, National Geographic for example, and that's it. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.